Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your location on Bumble. So let's start. First of all, open the Bumble app and then go to your profile. On your profile section, tap on the settings icon on the top right side of your screen. Now scroll below and go to the location section. In order to change your location, tap on the travel part. Then confirm it by tapping on use travel mode. As it says, you will have to be a premium user in order to use the travel mode and change your location. If you are a premium user, simply type the name of the location that you want to add. Let's say you are going to New York. Now select the New York option. If you are a premium user, then the new location will be set. Otherwise, it will take you to a screen like this and ask you to subscribe for the premium option. In clear words, non-premium users or basic users can't change their location once it is set while creating your account. This concludes our video for how to change your location on Bumble. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.